Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. This is a very short update about the W126 because it's clean. So take a look at this. I think it looks marvelous. The new rims are mounted, of course, and Felix from Matchbox Service took a whole day to polish and wax and wax the car, and I think the result is great. It's really nice how the paint turned out. I never did it in all the years I had the car. I washed it and that's it. I never polished it, I never waxed it. Now it's done and you can nicely see the result. So the car is ready for the next festival, Elring, which comes up this Sunday, which is the 21st of April. So maybe I'll see you there. I hope the weather turns out nicely. It's not raining and the cars do not get stuck on wet grounds. So yeah, see you in Elring this weekend. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Bye.